Hello and welcome to this presentation. In this video we're going to look at marine environmental solutions. Obviously we all want clean water, clean beaches, and we don't want to see derelict boats or plastic littered all over our beaches. We know it's hazardous to biodiversity, to wildlife, and to the food chain, to the point where even humans can begin to eat microplastics. In this video, we're going to look at dilapidated boats that were found strewn about on various beaches, and also marine debris that included lots of foam, floats, derelict ghost gear, and so on. Using the RPAS in combination with the small vessel, we're able to scout a large portion of area spanning several square kilometers. And using the geotagged photos, we can document exactly with precision where all of these concentrations of debris or dilapidated boats are located in various locations. Here we saw a dock that was astray and on a beach continuing to deteriorate. And here you can see the workflow as we scan and comb a beach with the drone and the support vessel and come across a dilapidated boat that clearly has been abandoned for quite a while. And by getting a close-in look at it, we can really measure how long it is and see and gauge if it's salvageable. And we can also see how difficult it would be to remove the boat, how many obstructions there are, and so on. And here you can just appreciate the advantage that we have with the RPAS to be able to scan a beach for debris. On the south side of this island, we found another dilapidated boat, and we're able to get a real close-in look at it, assess it, and document our findings, which were not very pretty. On the way around, we also observed a large kind of liveaboard vessel that had drifted off of its mooring in a storm and crashed onto James Island dock area. On this small island, with the help of the drone, we were able to identify and locate the remains of what appears to be the hull structure of a boat, document it, and observe it close up. On the project, we found that the small sturdy boat was really suitable for the task, as it was able to get close enough to the island to safely anchor the boat to it. Here we were very surprised to find a boat engine or a vehicle engine dumped on the shore area. We found gas, we found lots of tires, and of course lots of foam all over every area that we scouted. Some of it was white, some of it was orange. We did find barrels and other dark debris on post-editing was able to be found, even though we didn't notice it at first glance. This project took us around many islands of the Salish Sea, and it was very eye-opening to see a lot of the debris that we found. It was very sad in many cases to see it and to gauge the amount of work it was going to take to remove it successfully. But we have plans in place where we desire to be part of the solution and to help remove this and clean up our beaches and islands. Here's a shot of all the items we were able to clean off the beach in our 2-day project. So thanks for joining us, and please call Victoria Air Photos and Survey if you'd like to collaborate with us to help clean up the beaches here in the Salish Sea and around our islands for the betterment of the environment and all who live and enjoy it here.